Hello and welcome everyone. Please leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. If you want to know how I made this painting, then keep on watching. This painting is made with the leftover paint from the other Arteza painting. So if you want to know how I mixed my paints and how my paint mix was with these Arteza paints, then go watch this video. I'll leave it in the eye on the top of the screen. As you can see, I did add silicone in these paints. Make sure you mix it well when you use silicone in there, because you don't want big blobs of silicone on your painting. I also wanted to try to use the same colors, but put them in a different order in the dirty cup to see what effect it would have, because the first painting didn't have a lot of gold in it and I wanted the gold to pop up more. I kinda wanted all the paint to pop up more, so I wanted all the colors to be in there, so I've used a bit more of every color in smaller layers. As you see, the Arteza paint mix really works well with silicone. It really reacts well to it. The cells that are pop up are really beautiful and outlined, and I just think it looks stunning. The Arteza paints are also very pigmented, so the colors are really bright and popping. I really love the end result. You don't really see the white pop up, but you can see where the white mixed with the other colors and made some beautiful shades of brown and blue in there. I think the end result looks amazing. Someone on Instagram named it Coral Reef, because it really does look like that with the blue and the brown in there, and the gold really mixed well with the blue. You get like really beautiful greenish cells in there as well. As you can see, the lines around the cells are really beautiful. I'm really happy with this end result. You get multicolored cells, but also the cells are really defined. It really helps to look at the paint and see if it's transparent or semi-transparent or maybe opaque, so you can see the different kinds of shades in the cells, because semi-opaques and transparent would like to outline cells, like the gold really loves outlining the other cells. It dried just as beautiful as it was fresh, and I'm really in love with it. When I put the varnish gloss on it, it even more popped, and I just really love it. I do have an Arteza giveaway, so if you're interested in that, I'll put the link below. It's a giveaway on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.